Oh my god, Tony, what have you been doing?
Tony! Tony! You in there? I need that research on deep sea life. Scott, what are you doing there?
I'm looking for Tony.
What happened?
So, you said something about research, mate.
Yeah.
I think it's just here actually. I saw this a bit. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, definitely. There you go.
Thanks. Do you know where Tony is?
No, I haven't seen him.
Then what are you doing in this room?
Oh, he asked if I could pick up some work. He said basically that he can be here. He's got this advanced mathematics assignment due in, and he can be here to give it to them.
I thought you said I hadn't seen him.
Oh, I haven't. He messaged me, but he didn't say why or where he was.
Okay. See you later.
See you in a bit. The duck with the stars. Duck in the stars. Duck in the stars. You found the detective. Maybe the detective knows where he is.
Hello, we're not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Hi, my name is Scott Turing. Me and my friend Tony Jones. Tony's actually gone missing, and I'm really hoping you can help me find him. My number is 07860935008. If you could get back to me, that would be brilliant. Thanks in advance.
So, Scott, what else can you tell me about Tony?
Well, we've been working on this puzzle called the dark web. It's linked to with a group called Cicada.
Cicada? Do you mean Cicada?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
I really don't want to tell you too much. It will put your life in danger, and it's just not worth it.
Yeah, look, Scott, I'm going to need more information than that. If I'm going to be able to find your friend, if I'm going to be able to help you. Come in here, Scott. This is where I usually do my thinking work.
Did you often do this a lot?
Well, I don't do much thinking. Okay.
Can I use this?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, grab anything you need.
Oh yeah, I bought this picture. It's Tony there.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
That's very short, yeah, okay.
I don't want any part of this anymore. I just want to find him, and then we scrap this. It's too dangerous, I think.
Well, we don't know that yet, but we need to know what's going on here. Well, I think we're doing really well, actually. Do you want another coffee now, or I mean, it's 12:15.
I think it is getting a bit late, actually. I think we should pick this up tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm feeling quite shattered. Why don't we leave it at that point then? Pick it up. You can stay the night if you want. I've got a spare bedroom if you want to stay over, and then why don't we pick it up early again tomorrow morning when we're a bit fresher?
Yeah, I think we should call it that.
Okay. I'll show you where that bedroom is. Jack Cassidy, congratulations on solving the puzzles. The word you found is an anagram. If you can solve the anagram, we will tell you where you can find what you are looking for. 3301. Okay, let's try Mariana. Let's see if that works. Hello.
Scott, no need to worry. We are taking good care of Tony. And now, Jack, thank you for bringing him to us. We'll look forward to meeting you.
Who? Okay, I have to get this out here. Okay, it's not my fault. After Tony disappeared, I did everything to try and save him. I couldn't do it. And now another person, Jack Cassidy, has gone missing and I don't know what to do. Okay, the only thing I can suggest is avoid Cicada. Don't look for it. And if someone phones you with the number 3301, don't answer it. In fact, call the police. Maybe they can help you. Okay, okay. If anyone is listening to me right now, you have to understand, Jack Cassidy is a detective I was working with. Okay, and now the last time I saw him was 3 weeks ago. Okay, all I know is it's something to do with the trench in the ocean called Mariana. That is all I know. And it's also linked to the dark web. I can't say anymore. If I do, it'll cost you. It'll cost you your freedom. It may even cost you your life.